Hey guys, it's a time from Iowa and you're watching The Daily Grind. I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running.
Brian.
Nice.
Hi guys, my name is Brian. I am 20 years old. I am a junior in college, going to be a senior, and this is my car. Hello.
Do you remember the dare?
Yes, it was go up to a random, or go up to like that group of individuals. They were talking about like a Supra or an FRS or something.
We're inside.
Yeah, we were inside, and
yeah.
The dare was just go up and randomly just enter their conversation.
Yeah. Yeah, super far away. Super far away. He's supposed to join a conversation. He's gonna do car guy talk. And the dare was to like go up to a random group, talk to them, and then the thing you get would be our jet tag.
No.
Dude, that was like over a year ago.
Yeah.
That's crazy. And this is your ride.
Yeah.
What kind of banner are you getting?
I'm getting the Family Respect Loyalty banner, the 40-inch, I think it's 44,
yeah, 42
something like that.
And then it goes in the bottom or top?
I'm getting on the bottom since I have the Subaru EyeSight.
Yeah. Subaru EyeSight.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
So it's like the collision and like lane assist stuff. So if it detects your drifting lanes without turning on your turn signal, it'll tell you like, oh, lane departure and stuff like that. Or else, if you were to put like an object, like say it was stop and go traffic and you didn't see it, the car will brake for you. It suspects impact, it'll still brake, but it'll just lessen the amount of force.
Okay. This is my tripod.
As your tripod?
Sketchy as fuck.
Hey, you get the angles though.
I know. What year's your car?
2017.
What model?
2.5i Premium Subaru Forester.
He threw that word premium there on me.
Yeah.
Hella boo. I want to learn more about this EyeSight thing.
Okay.
Yeah? Let's go in the car.
Okay.
Touch your car now.
Oh, there's stuff. Sorry. I'm going back to NorCal today. So.
What?
Yeah.
Where in NorCal?
Vallejo, California.
Vallejo, dude.
Yeah.
You know how much time I spent in Vallejo as a kid?
Too much.
6 Flags.
Oh yeah.
A lot. I'm also very excited because my sister's coming to visit today. Okay, EyeSight camera on a 17 Suba.
I'm a global studies and maritime affairs major, so it's more like the policy side of the maritime industry. So it's more like the laws of the sea and all that stuff. Plan on using it? Probably not, because I'm joining the military, so it's all that fun stuff. Just using the degree.
So he sits down. I'm like, oh, he's gonna tell me he's going to school for like medical or biochem, maritime.
It's basically just 2 cameras. Installed here.
So crazy.
So one here, one here. It kind of looks like a dash cam, but it's not.
Yeah.
To prevent collisions or like you drifting. So say you're on the freeway and all of a sudden you start drifting without pressing like your turn signals or anything like that. It's gonna tell you right here in your little like speedometer dash. I don't know what to call it, but it's gonna tell you like, it's gonna beep at you and say like, oh, lane departure, like get back. If all of a sudden a car stops in front of you, it's gonna flash red. It's the same size. It's gonna say obstacle detected and it's gonna apply the brakes for you. It's not like a full-on dead, you're not gonna get to a dead stop, but you're gonna feel the car like lurch forward. Your body's gonna lurch forward and it's gonna essentially brake for you. And then you will also apply the brakes and take over. It's a feature you have to add. It came with my package. Not all Foresters will have it. Okay. Or not all Subarus. I know a bunch of like Subarus have it, like the Outback, Forester. I think the WRX and STI have it too.
What?
I think, don't quote me.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it's an extra like $2,000 or something.
So it's not autopilot.
No.
It's not. Does it when you go on cruise control? Does it keep you in the lane?
Yes, so it does work lane assist. Thank you.
Lane assist. Okay, cool. So how good is it? Because I've been in the, okay, Omar, if you're watching, lane assist.
Yes.
Sucks so bad. Like, quick story. We're driving in traffic and the car in front of him decides to change lanes, and his car decided to change lanes with him.
Right.
With a car next to us. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm used to the Tesla, and Tesla has like super good one. So I'm kind of curious about how this is.
Future mods. So for the Forester, especially the NA version, I have a 2.5i Premium. There's not much you can do like performance-wise. You can probably find an intake here and there. I think K&N makes an intake. But future mods that I'm gonna be doing, I'm in about like 2 weeks, almost straight piping the car. So it's gonna be pretty loud, hopefully. And another big thing that I wanna get are fuel coilovers. Just to lower the car. That's practically it. Maybe tag your tire stuff on my stock rims, but other than that, those are my future mods. Just coils and exhaust. Once you press this button here, So you have cruise control and lane assist. So basically 2 lines are gonna pop up. That's that lane assist, and then 2 lines are gonna pop up in those vertical lines, and that's gonna detect it seeing the lane lines on the road. Once those are up, essentially you can drive without touching the steering wheel.
Ooh.
And it'll bounce you back. If it sees you drifting, that symbol is gonna turn green and it'll turn the wheel for you just like slightly. And then if you keep your hands off for too long, it's gonna like put your hands on the wheel because you're stupid.
Yeah,
But,
Tesla does that. So, out of 10, all right, 10 is complete trust in the car.
Okay.
What is it? For that lane, the lane assist, keeping you in the lane.
I would say about a nice 7.
Well, that's a
Or let's say 7.
that's a solid number.
Yeah.
Because Omar's car is a 3,
Oh jeez.
2.5.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good job, Subaru. You're
Yeah.
doing something right.
Yeah. Inside looks like 2 big old eyeballs. On the outside, don't mind John. He's just installing the banner. Shameless plug if you guys want to grab some banners. PrimalDriven.com. We also do installs, which he's here for. 2 eyeballs. Okay, so I'm super noob at this because I did not know Subaru had this. That's actually really cool. Oh, that's nice. That's good.
Yeah, I bought it for you guys.
You guys follow him on Instagram. Just go ahead and stalk.
I like cars. It's because it's a way to express yourself without having to express yourself. When you see someone driving their car, you automatically have this impression of them. So if Mike here drives his GTR, it's like, boom, he's a big guy, he's a big shot, right? And then his Camaro, like the same effect that my buddy has on his Chevelle, it's like, dang, that's old school. Like having that reputation about yourself. So in the car community, everyone has their own reputation where even if they're trying to be the same, everyone's different, and that's what I like it. That's how I like cars express somebody. Plus, it's fun.
I'm gonna vlog him now on his camera.
All right, so guys, thank you guys. They're installing the banner as you saw in like the cinematic. Do it. I couldn't do this, especially. Yeah, thank you guys for this. That's pretty cool.
Like I'm vlogging. I'm his cameraman today. He's doing a whole vlog. Make sure you guys check out his channel. He's going back to NorCal and he's got some interesting, he has an interesting freaking life, dude. Like, this is so random. Here's a banner. He decided to put it on the bottom because on top, it possibly would block the EyeSight camera. So good decision on this one. He said his buddy does have a banner up top, so he'll let me know if it works out. That way I can tell you guys if you have a car like this and you want to put a banner up top, we'll know from first-hand experience if it's good or not. Looks good, man. Looks good. I like it. I like it.
Getting in my car now. Again, fangirling, but
ooh, it has a nice little sound to it.
a little bit, yeah.
What kind of exhaust?
It's just a nameless performance muffler delete.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, so it's not like a catback or no. I should go this way.
Yeah. Hey, what is X mode?
It's nothing special. It's basically just, it stiffens up the suspension.
That's pretty special.
When it's like slippery roads and stuff. So if it's like really raining, you can turn that on. Or like for those who like off-road, yeah, that's what that is.
We're doing a little road test to see the EyeSight in action. We'll try to get it to replicate a little bit and be real safe about it.
The lane assist, what I was talking about earlier, the 2 lines that you're gonna see are those lines right there. So that's for lane assist. So if I do drift, it should pop me back, and then you see the wheel turn, and it's keeping us within the lane.
Oh, wow. It does work.
Yeah.
It does work.
Basically just letting you know that, hey, you're drifting in your lane, get back in it. But yeah, if you have your turn signal on, it's not gonna, and you drift, it's not gonna, not like drift, but it's not gonna pop up for you because it knows that you have the intention of changing over or switching over.
All right. So if I'm understanding this correctly, it's like a person sitting next to you kind of like nudging your wheels, say, hey buddy,
yeah,
like get back in your lane.
Exactly.
And then over time, over like 2 or 3 times, it tells you need to take the wheel. It'll probably cancel it right afterwards, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
probably something like that.
Okay, cool. So this is probably helpful for, you're just driving for super long drives and you just kind of need help keeping in the lane a bit. You should probably pull over if you're super tired.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
we all know we drift back and forth between lanes all the time.
Yeah.
In between the lanes. So this is actually pretty cool. The seats feel comfortable. I'm a hefty guy, so this is kind of nice. Banner is looking very cool. Inside, look at that, it looks awesome. Honestly, I'm actually really curious on where your future goes.
Okay.
Because the specific field you're in is so different. But follow him In the meantime, I'm gonna get back to work. Subaru EyeSight camera. So it's not quite autopilot, but it's in a good step. If it does have integrated dual cameras, you can think about the possibility of having an upgrade system or upgraded software. Because with Tesla, we have the hardware 2 on our Tesla, a Model X, and that one allows for full autonomy when it does release. There's hardware 1 on a Tesla that doesn't have all the cameras. I believe it's 7 cameras on the hardware 2. So in this case, this could be a step to at least like a hardware 1 version of Tesla, which is really good. I've driven 10,000 miles, if not more, on a Model X hardware 1 with this single front-facing camera with all the sensors outside, and it does it really well. So this right here might be a very good steps for some sort of, you know, level 3 or 4 autopilot that is similar to the hardware 1 for a Tesla. This is really interesting because I did not know this happened, or this even existed in the Subaru community, but companies like Cadillac, companies like BMW, I believe Mercedes is working on one, and of course Tesla is working on many versions of it. But I thought this was pretty cool. If you guys have any new technology you guys want me to talk about, let me know. I love you guys, and it's been fun doing daily vlogs, man. It's intense. Like having 10 a.m. uploads every day. Yeah, it's a different schedule. Love you guys. See you guys next time. Peace.